Apple finally updated the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. I believe the last firmware update was back in November 2024, and that was 7B21. Now today we have 7E93, which is the latest firmware update that you can get on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Now, Apple didn't really say what exactly they fixed in this firmware update. As usual, I wish Apple would just tell us exactly what was fixed. That way we could tell them if it was fixed or not, or if they did a good job, or if they need to improve it a little bit more. But yeah, that's just one thing that I would want from Apple to add to these firmware notes. And also I would love for them to add like a firmware update button. That way you can just click it and your AirPods will update right away. You don't have to worry about it being updated, because really and truly you don't really know when this AirPods gets updated. It just happens automatically. And then the sad part about it is that when it doesn't update, you're trying to do everything to get it to update and it's not working. So I believe just adding like a manual button for you to update the firmware update, that would be way easier for us users that use the AirPods. Now, as said before, Apple only stated that they fixed bugs and other improvements. Now, that's not really specific, but I've read online a lot of people have been experiencing improvements with the ANC and also improvements with the noise cancellation. A lot of people also said that it fixes their Find My feature, because before in Find My, it had like a bug in Find My saying that your AirPods is not set up in Find My when it was actually set up in Find My. So Apple actually fixes that in this firmware update. Now, if you're wondering what wallpaper pack I have on my phone right here, this is from my wallpaper pack inspired by the AirPods. It will be linked down below in the description and also in the comment section, so you can feel free to grab one for yourself. But yeah, let me know down below in the comment section if you have seen any big improvements with the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation on this firmware 7E93. Also, if your AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation is not updating, I did a video talking about how to update the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So if you're having issues, that video will walk you through step by step and how to get your AirPods 4 up to date. So yeah, check that video out if you're having issues. But that's been it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Peace.